In this video, I will review this brand new software that claiming the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for websites, blogs, landing pages, ads, local business with just the push of a button. And this software is called Life Designs. Stay to the end because I have some bonuses that I'm giving away for you for free. Alright, so welcome to Life Designs Review plus my free bonuses. Hi, my name is Herbert Flores from herbertflores.net. I'm an online marketer that helps you make wise decisions when buying products. My intention is to make sure you get the best value for your money. So first of all, what is Life Designs? Life Designs claiming the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, blog, landing page, marketing funnel with no prior tech or designing skills, wherein you can use Life Designs to create mind-blowing designs and graphics without any hassles, no prior tech or design skills, no wasting big bucks on the third-party design platforms, no paying expensive freelancers, and no monthly payment hassles. So who is the creator of this product? The creator of this product is Anirudh Barra and Amik Gaikwad. They are successful product creator and affiliate marketer. So who is this for? This is for anyone willing to grow and scale their business. It's 100% newbie friendly and requires no prior design or tech skills. Kindly watch my short video demo as I walk you through inside the members area of this software. So right now we are here inside the dashboard of Life Designs. But before that, I would like to share to you that there's a similar software that has been launched last January 24, this year 2022. And the name of this software is GrabEasy. So if you check their sales page and the sales page of these Life Designs, they are almost the same. They are offering a graphic design suite and also right here, so their headline is you can get access to the world's first cloud-based technology that can create eye-catching explainer and cinematic videos, social media posts and logos and banners. Okay, so now let's check their dashboard. So right now I'm here on the dashboard of GrapEasy. So as you can see, the menu right here, there's a graphic creator. So let's click this graphic creator. Then let's click this create template. And let's check the templates. Their templates are only limited. Okay, so they have only 7 templates, okay, that you can use. So let's compare here at the Life Designs. Okay, as you can see, they are almost the same, okay, inside the dashboard. So they have also the graphic creator, email, icon and logo generator, the search images, the BG removal, the image editor, the video editor, the search videos, the search vectors, video templates, and also the support and the tutorials. I think the developer of this software is only one. Okay, the only difference is that they have different name, okay, but their software and also the function are almost the same. So let's go back here at the Life Designs. When we click this graphic creator, so let's click this create template. As you can see, if we click these templates, they have the same templates, okay, with this GrapEasy, okay. So they have the same template, so we can conclude that the developer of this software is the same with this Life Designs, okay. So now let's check the other features. So this social media cover. So the size of this cover is not the same with the real size of the cover if you are using Facebook, okay. So let's check the template. So they have also the same template. It has a limited templates, okay. If you check the icon and logo generator, let's search on phone, social media. So it's a limited icon, okay. So example, website, they don't show icon, okay. So that's the problem with this software. And let's check the search images. Let's try to search coronavirus. Okay, so there are some images that you can use, you can download. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so this function is working, but there's an alternative way that you can use to search images. So you can go to pixabay.com, so you can download pre-royalty images that you can use on your business, okay, with this website. Okay, so you can download free images with this website without using this live design. So that's the alternative way if you want to get free images that you can use on your graphic design or on your business. Okay, so let's check this background removal. So let's choose a picture. Let's see if this function is working. Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay, then you can now download this image. And also there's a free software that you can also use to remove a background. So you can go at remove.bg. So you can use this for free. Okay, just upload the image. Then after that, just wait for a moment. And after a few seconds, so you can have your image without background. Okay, then you can download. And then let's check this video editor. Okay, so they are offering free software that you can use on your Windows or even if you are using a Mac. Okay, then search videos. So let's check this one. Okay, so it's working. So the same, if you go to Pixabay, so you can also download videos, okay, with this website. So just select videos, then let's search online shopping. Okay, so you can download free videos that you can use also on creating a video, okay, for your business with this website on Pixabay. Then there are some search vectors here. Okay, so this is working, okay, and also there are some video templates. So you need to download these ready-made video templates, okay. There are some Facebook covers template, Instagram video templates. So they are on a zip file, okay, so you need to download and you can use it on creating Instagram content, okay. Then also if you are having some problems, so you can contact their support by clicking this one. Okay, so it will be directly on your email, then you need to send an email to them, okay. Then tutorials, so you can watch the video trainings on how to use this software. So it's a basic training on how to use this software, okay? So that's what you can get if you buy these live designs on the front end product, okay? So now let's go back here at the sales page of this software. So if you decide to buy this software, so you can also check the link below on this video. Plus they are also offering a discount. Okay, so just move your mouse and you can get a discount for this product. Okay, just click here to claim your discount now. So let's check how much is this product for now. If you click the instant discount, okay, so you can get this software for a discount price of $12.19. But the regular price of this software is $17. Okay, on the sales page, they are telling you to say goodbye to expensive monthly design platforms like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, Adobe Illustrator, etc. Okay, so these are the best software in the market today. So on my business, I'm using this Canva. Okay, so you can use Canva for free. And also they are telling you, so you can use it for only 3 easy steps. Okay, so step 1, just click. Step 2, customize. And step 3 is profit. Okay, so if you purchase this, you are covered for 30-day money back guaranteed. Alright, so what I like with this software, yeah, it's easy to use. And it's fully editable dashboard. And they are offering a low one-time price, okay? They have the support and also the training. So what I don't like, some of the features, sometimes they are not working. So you can expect that because this is a new software. And also the templates are limited. So how much that it costs? So if you buy the discount price, so you can get this for only $12.90. But the regular price is $17. And there are some additional upsells if you upgrade to $47. And also they have upgrade number 2, the $197. The upgrade number 3 is the $97. Upgrade number 6 is $67. Upgrade number 5 is $97. And lastly, the upgrade number 4 is $167. So these upgrades are optional. So now my conclusion is, honestly, I don't believe this is the most advanced graphic design suite. The software looks good and they offer low one-time price, but don't expect the quality. It's the same with some popular software on the market. You will expect some issues while using it, but you can contact their support for assistance. But wait, there's more. They are also offering some bonuses wherein if you buy this, so you can get some free gift for the first 100 buyers. So you can get 50 reseller license plus the live podcast plus the design agency website plus the live gallery plus the live invoice manager and the live coupon website. So you can get this all for free, okay? So just contact their support with these bonuses. Plus you can get a QR code generator, a toolkit, a CRM, an e-commerce platform, plus the text-to-speech marketplace. So if you want to get it, okay, so you can click the link below on this video, then your bonuses can be accessed on your members area, okay? And lastly, so you can also click the second link below this video, okay? So you can access my free gift for you. You can discover if you're at a risk, how to stop these internet marketing scammers from stealing your dreams, okay? So you can access this bonus by visiting this link, okay, on my video, or you can click the link below this video. So that's all for now. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next video.